The Algorand cryptographic money in a real sense is the new age blockchain network. The innovation is now called Blockchain 3.0. The explanation is that it takes care of the most squeezing issues of Bitcoin's versatility while keeping up with security and decentralization in a by and large huge manner. It, in every practical sense, is expected that this new computerized organization will work on the effectiveness of the normal monetary framework, and its convention will explicitly work with the kind of smooth flow of monetary forms in an especially large manner. Our constant ALGO to USD cost truly update shows the ongoing Algorand cost as 15 cents USD. As per our Algorand cost forecast, ALGO cost is supposed to have a 2.06% decline and drop as low as by June 2, 2023. Our specialized pointers signal about the negative bullish 12% market feeling on Algorand, while the trepidation and ravenousness file in every way that really matters is showing a score of 51. Over the especially most recent 30 days, Algorand has had 13/30th by and large green days and 5.52% cost unpredictability. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Algorand is $15 cents, and ALGO is by and by positioned no, in spite of mainstream thinking. 42 in the whole crypto biological system. The dissemination supply of Algorand is $1,063,223,083.95, with a market cap of $7,244,254,815 ALGO in a fundamentally significant manner. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has expanded by $0 its ongoing worth. Throughout the previous 7 days, ALGO explicitly has been in a decent vertical pattern, in this manner expanding by 5.58%, which is genuinely huge. Algorand has shown areas of strength for exceptionally of late, and this could be a decent chance to dive right in and contribute. During the truly last month, the cost of a LGO has expanded by 17.78%, adding an epic essentially normal measure of 3 cents to its ongoing worth. This unexpected development implies that the coin can turn into a strong resource now, assuming that it keeps on developing. Algorand Value Expectation 2023. As per the specialized examination of Algorand costs expected in 2023, the base expense of Algorand will be $12 cents. The most extreme level that the ALGO cost can reach certainly is $18 cents. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $23 cents. Likely return for capital invested. 20% ALGO value conjecture for June 2023 in light of the value changes of Algorand toward the start of 2023. Crypto specialists expect the really normal ALGO pace of $13 cents in June 2023. Its actual least and most extreme costs can be anticipated at $12 cents and at $15 cents individually. Expected return for capital invested. 0% July 2023. Algorand Value Gauge digital currency specialists certainly are prepared to generally report their conjecture for the ALGO cost in July 2023. In every practical sense, least exchanging cost could be $12 cents, while the most extreme could reach $18 cents during this month amazingly. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Algorand may be around $15 cents, which is genuinely huge. Expected return for capital invested. 24.7% ALGO value gauge for August 2023. Crypto experts truly have really looked at the value variances of Algorand in 2023 and in earlier years. So the very normal ALGO rate they anticipate may be around $18 cents in August 2023 in an unobtrusive manner. It can drop to $18 cents as a base, in spite of prevalent thinking. The greatest worth could by and large be $18 cents, or so they thought. Possible return for money invested. 25.3% September 2023. Algorand value estimate around mid-year 2023. The ALGO cost will be exchanged at $19 cents on sort of normal. September 2023 could likewise observe an expansion in the Algorand worth to $20 cents. It generally is expected that the cost won't drop lower than $18 cents in that frame of mind in an unobtrusive way. Possible return for money invested. 34% ALGO value figure for October 2023. Crypto specialists have examined Algorand costs in 2023, so they in every practical sense are prepared to especially give their assessed exchanging to all aims and motivations normal for October 2023, $16 cents, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. The most minimal and top ALGO rates could really be $12 cents and $19 cents. Likely return on initial capital investment. 32% November 2023. Algorand value conjecture. Crypto examiners expect that toward the finish of summer 2023, the ALGO cost will generally be around $17 cents, which sort of is very critical. In November 2023, the Algorand cost might drop to at least $13, really in spite of mainstream thinking. The normal pinnacle worth may be $21 in November 2023, which is genuinely huge. Likely return for capital invested. 46% ALGO value figure for December 2023. Having dissected Algorand costs, cryptographic money specialists expect that the ALGO rate could truly arrive at a limit of $0.23 in December 2023. It may, be that as it may, drop to $0.16. For December 2023, the anticipated normal of Algorand generally is almost $0.20. Expected return on initial capital investment, 56% January 2024. Algorand value estimate around mid-2023. The Algorand cost will explicitly be exchanged at the typical degree of $0.23. Crypto experts expect that in January 2024, the ALGO cost could in a real sense vacillate somewhere in the range of $0.21 and $0.25. Expected return on initial capital investment, 69.3%. Algorand value forecast 2024. After the examination of the costs of Algorand in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2024, the base cost of Algorand will be around $0.28. The most extreme expected ALGO cost might be around $0.33, which is very critical. By and large, the exchanging cost could for the most part be $0.29 in 2024. Algorand value expectation 2025. In light of the specialized examination by cryptographic money specialists in regards to the costs of Algorand, in 2025, ALGO is supposed to have the accompanying least and essentially greatest costs, about $0.41 and $0.49. Separately, in opposition to prevalent thinking, the typical expected exchanging cost sort of is $0.43. Algorand value expectation 2026. The specialists in the field of digital currency have dissected the costs of Algorand and their vacillations during the earlier years. It especially is expected that in 2026, the base ALGO cost could drop to $0.60, while its most extreme can reach $0.72 amazingly. By and large, the exchanging cost will essentially be around $0.62. Algorand value forecast 2027. In light of the examination of the expenses of Algorand by crypto specialists, the accompanying most extreme and least ALGO costs certainly are normal in 2027, $1.05 and $0.86, or so they thought. All things considered, it will be exchanged at $0.89. Algorand value forecast 2028. Crypto specialists are continually examining the variances of Algorand in an unobtrusive manner. In view of their forecasts, the assessed typical ALGO cost will truly be around $1.36. It could drop to at least $1.32. However, it actually could really reach $1.52 all through 2028, which is very critical. Algorand value expectation 2029. Consistently, digital money